Hi everyone, A to Z e-learning Ally here. Today, I want to show you how you can use steps to break your larger task down into smaller, more actionable pieces in either Microsoft To-Do desktop app or the mobile app. Then, I also want to show you how you can add importance and notes, so you will want to make sure you stick around until the end. Alright, let's get started. As a first-time passport applicant, I had to follow instructions and necessary steps given by the USPS website. So, I'll add the first step that I took here by clicking the task and then selecting plus add step. For instance, I'm just typing schedule an appointment with USPS. Then keep typing your next steps as you preferred. In my case, I just typed gather documents, fill out an application, take passport photos at CVS, prepare my application package, arrive 10 minutes before the appointment, and wait until passport comes in consecutive order. When you've finished, select Enter on your keyboard to save and close. Since I have completed 6 out of 7 steps, I'll click them to be marked completed. As you see here, a counter beneath the task name displays the total number of steps the task contains and how many have been completed so far to help keep you on track. Next, you can add priority to your task by starting your important task in each list. For instance, once I click the star next to passport, we can view this prioritized task in the important smart list. You can also sort each list by importance to have your start task automatically moved to the top of the list. If you don't want to have a start task, you can do so by clicking the star next to the start task. Third, if you have any extra information you'd like to add to your task, you can add a note. For instance, I want to type visit the website to check any updates to the task passport. So let me select the task. To open detail view and tap or click within the note to select it. Once selected, I can enter the extra information as previously said. When you've finished, you'll see the note icon beneath the task that you just added your note. Alright, if you found it useful or informative, please click the like button and subscribe button to see more videos in the future. If you prefer, turn on the notifications to be informed at once. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, suggestions related to my videos, please leave a note down below or email me at a2gelearningally@outlook.com to share your insights. Thanks for watching and please remain safe.